call Milton Weasel because he gets us out of all kinds of scrapes.
And I call Barbara Grasshopper because wherever we are...
Oh, crap, you're coming after you.
I want to be someplace else. You lost all our money in Vegas.
Well, now we get a chance to live in Chloride. Is this really a ghost town?
Some people call it that, but actually several hundred people live here. Chloride is a historic mining town.
So what did they mine here?
They discovered silver here in the 1860s. It was a very prosperous town and was even served by the Butterfield Stage and the Santa Fe Railroad.
Is this the ghost town?
No, this replica of a western town was built by local residents so they could hold gunfight reenactments.
Oh no!
You sure have a vivid imagination.
That's probably how it was. Are they still mining silver here?
No, the mine shut down during World War II when the miners went off to war. In the 1950s and 60s, the town attracted musicians and artists.
Where are you taking me?
We're going to see the murals.
How far is it up this dirt road?
It's only a mile and a half.
I hope we get there soon because it's real dusty and you're messing up my truck.
Well, we can't come to Chloride without seeing the murals. It's one of the main things they're noted for.
What, are they just writing something on the wall or something?
No, you'll see. Let's just go.
Okay. This is really nice. Who painted them?
Roy Purcell painted them in the 1960s. He's a famous Southwestern artist.
That looks like an old mine up on top of the hill. Why don't we go up there and check it out?
I don't know. I don't feel like getting out of the truck.
Get your boots on. I'm going up the hill.
All right, I'll go. I didn't realize how beautiful these mountains were.
Now, aren't you glad you made the effort?
Okay, you're right for a change.
Hey!
Looking down over Chloride from up here really is worth it. This was really fun. I think we could come back here again.
Can we ask them to push the subscribe button?
Yeah, help us out in our old age.
Old age? You might be old, but I'm not.
Thanks a lot.